All right, Gussie.
Come on. Come on, get your toys. Get your toys. Are these your toys? Is this your toys? Come get it. Come get it. Come on. Oh, you're trying. Did you make any progress?
He's on his knees like he's... Good job, buddy.
Yeah, up on the knees. You're not going to fly there. You're pretty good, but you're not baby Superman. Yeah. Don't rest in the position you need to crawl in. Come on.
Look at him. So he's in that position.
Mm-hmm. Oh, thinking so hard. Thinking so hard. Did you move any? No.
He's kind of doing it.
There you go. There you go. Oh.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. He just did it.
Yeah.
Yay!
That's a good boy, Gussie. Gustafer.
There you go.
Come on.
He's like, now I got it.
Uh-oh. Watch out, world.
Do it again.
Watch out, world. Gus is mobile. Yeah. Oh, not quite yet. Getting close. You'll need a nap after this, won't you? Yeah.
Look at his scoops. Look at him.
There you go.
I got you.
That's so close. It's so close. Yeah.
I'm getting frustrated. Come on, buddy.
Come here. Oh. Is that enough for now? Is that enough for now? That was pretty darn